Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anisha Febrihan Andini with a student ID number 2025328085 from class C. In this video, I will explain the result of my practicum in the statistics and probability course. Starting from the data processing step to the creation of a frequency distribution table using Microsoft Excel. In this practicum, the first step I did was input our student score data into an Excel table so the raw data would be well organized and easy to process. This input data, and after that I determine the maximum and minimum values using the max and min formulas. This max and min. Uh, next, I calculated the total number of data using the count formula to find out how many data points were analyzed. Yes, total data count. Okay, the next step was calculating the range. Yes, the range, which is the difference between the maximum and minimum values to understand the data distribution. After that, I determined the number of classes using Sturgeon's formulas so that the data could be grouped properly. Yes, and this. Then I calculating the class width by dividing the range by yes range by the number of classes and rounded the result using the round up formula. After that, I determined yes the lower and upper class boundaries to form data intervals. Yes. Next, I calculated the frequency of each class using the frequency formula to find out how many data points fall into each interval. Yes, frequency. From this result, I also calculated the relative frequency to determine the percentage of each class compared to the total data. Yes, and yes. And finally, I calculated the cumulative frequency less than by adding the frequency from top to bottom and the cumulative frequency greater than by subtracting the cumulative frequency from the total data. Yes, and yes, yes. Through these steps, the raw data can be transformed into a well-structured and easy to understand frequency distribution table. Thank you for your attention. I apologize if there are any shortcomings in my expression. Thank you.